How to fix Google Chrome high memory uses on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Over time, cache files and cookies can pile up, causing Chrome to consume more memory. So here's how to clear them. First, launch Google Chrome on your Android device. Now tap three dots at top right corner of your screen. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Security. Tap Delete Browsing Data. And check mark cookies and site data and cache images and files. Then tap Delete Data at bottom right. And then tap Delete. Second method to follow is disabling unnecessary extensions. Extensions running in the background can consume memory. Although fewer extensions are available on Android, you may have some enabled. Simply tap on the search bar and type in Chrome, semicolon, and slash. Simply type in double slash and extensions. And you need to tap on the search icon at bottom right and you can easily review the list of install extensions and disable or remove any that you don't need. Now you can easily disable the background app activity with that open settings. Navigate to apps and then you need to tap on app management. Now search for Google Chrome using the search bar at top of the screen. Open it. Now tap on data uses and you simply need to restrict the background activity. Once you follow this step, you can finally update the Chrome and then fix the issue, or there should be some significant improvements in Chrome performance and lower memory uses on your Android device. I hope this guide helped you. Please like, comment and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.